So let's break down the Winter Soldier Bucky Barnes haircut. And what I did is I started with actually a number 5 guard into here because his hair isn't like super short. Even though it's short to some, it's not like a skin fade, right? So I used a number 5 guard and went right all the way in through here. Same thing throughout the back. This is all blended in and tapered in all the way starting through the nape area. So you've got a nice, clean, kind of even texture throughout here. And then right into this area is when I started to do everything by hand. So I would say, like, if you say go with a number 5 to about right here and then blend everything in to where it's about an inch coming out from the head throughout the sides here. And then same thing throughout the back. I'd say a good inch, inch and a half connecting all the way through. It's a fairly even balanced haircut, right? The key to this is that the sides aren't too short, right? His scalp isn't showing here. Then this is all working a little bit shorter, going into a little bit longer towards the front to where I'd say this is an inch and a half to 2 inches the most, working the way right to the very front where this is pretty much the same length, right? I didn't want to have this like 3-4 inches longer. It's about 2.5 inches throughout the very front. You don't want to have it too long because then it's not going to look like his hair, okay? And in some situations you'll see it where it's a bit more down like this, like in the show, but for the most part he's got it kind of messy. And this was a really big kind of 90s haircut, and I think it's one of those timeless haircuts that's never going to go away because even though it's a little bit on the longer side, it looks messy, it looks kind of cool, but it still can look pretty neat. Then I used my brand new crafted sea salt styling paste. This is a very unique product, and it's become actually one of my favorite products, believe it or not, because it goes in the hair so easily. It's like Tidal Wave, but in a clay form. It's got the perfect amount of that sea salt texture. It's not, you know, super gritty. It's just the right amount of texture, and we did a really great job of creating this product for you. And also, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States. This is an exclusive deal just for everyone here on YouTube, and hope you enjoy the haircut.